Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel below, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Before I go any further, guys, I'd like to say that everything on this video I am offering for free. So this report for solo ads made easy is for free. No credit card, no PayPal, nothing required. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get my bonus bonanza. And trust me, you won't be disappointed in that. So let's get started on Solo Ads Made Easier, which is a report. I'm going to teach you how to find people in your niche who to purchase solo ads. Okay, so in this report, it's going to go through what is a commercial solo ad provider and when to avoid commercial solo ad providers, which is very important because otherwise you're going to get, how do you put it, you're going to get ripped off because there's a lot of people out there that are not genuine for solo ads. So the other thing is you're going to find out how to find solo ads in your particular niche. Okay, so you might be in make money online, I don't know, you might be on fitness, health and fitness, things like that. So you're also going to find out publicizing solo ads and how to write solo ads that actually work. These are up to date 2020, guys. It'll also show you how to get instant results and get instant leads, which is what we all want, isn't it, out of solo ads, let's face it. And then we go on even further and it shows you how to sell solo ads. So that's an added extra if you're interested in that. So moving on, if you want this Solo Ads Made Easy report, I will also give you today, free of charge, my bonus bonanza, which is 50,000 visitors delivered to any website or blog or link, affiliate link of your choice, free, no strings attached, guys. How's that? What a bonus. So if you want both of these items, all you have to do is click the link below this video and it'll take you straight to the product and the 50,000 visitors. These 50,000 visitors will be drip fed daily. They don't come all at once. They're not bots. They're organic traffic. Not to be sniffed at, guys. Where else can you find that free on the internet? You let me know. So subscribe to my channel, guys, for the next freebies and bonuses and any information I think that you might be interested in. And that's it for me now. So take care, guys. Bye.